Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Hollywood here. We are currently on the way to Magic City Octane in Birmingham, and of course, we are late as hell. It wasn't because of me this time, guys. It wasn't because of me. You know, Sam here, he decided he was going to wake up at 7 o'clock. We're supposed to leave around 7, but you know, it is what it is. But we're all here now. Sam pulled over, so I pulled over with him. So our group is in front of us, but hopefully, you know, Magic City Octane never really disappoints with the cars. So after seeing that cop car right there, we're gonna take it easy. Cut the camera. I got my big camera. I got a brand new lens actually. I got a 17 to 70. Hopefully that's more of like a wide angle for me, so I can vlog a little bit better. Because trying to vlog on the 24 to 70, it just wasn't working out. I had to scrap the whole video, so hopefully it'll work a little bit better this time. Yo, that car is super fucking dope. Look over here, buddy. Yeah. Hell yeah. There's a whole Viper right there. You got the Supra and the Viper. Oh my god. Bro, this is why I like coming to these car beats, man. You know, you never know what you're gonna see, and you never know what these people have. Oh, there's another biker right there. Yeah, so he's getting it. Yeah, that car right there, that thing is so good. I like that a lot, man. Bro, that thing looks clean. See, we're only 23 minutes. Alright, I'll cut this camera off and pick up the big camera. We'll go from there. Coming over here to the expensive car club, all the Supras. Where's everybody else at?
I don't know, brother. They're on the way.
Sam Supra right here. Super clean. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at the turbo on there. Look at all the carbon. God, man, this thing is clean. This thing is super clean. One day, boys, one day I'll have the car and the bike. Dude. There's the other boys pulling up. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but carbon interior. Super clean. Carbon. Ooh. He's got this thing pretty decked out. About to go pull up on my boy Phantom. Got this Force Carbon S1K right here. What up? Doing good.
What's up, man? How are you? Yeah,
check out all the fours on there. Can't hide money, guys. You can't hide money.
She's about to get more. Can't hide money.
You cannot hide money. Full titanium exhaust. Woo. All you're missing is the Force Carbon wheels.
I know.
If they even make those. Oh, do they make those?
I haven't found them if they do.
Carbon Pista 2. Big money. Big money right there, guys. Got this beautiful Ducati right here. Ooh, you can't beat a Ducati. Dude, I love that plate. Ducky, yeah. You can always appreciate a nice Ducati.
That's so stupid. You need to get in good with them together.
But that exhaust needs to go. That thing is terrible. We got all these pulling up on their S1K. We got a CBR1K, 636, and I think, no, 500 actually. We don't really see a whole lot of those anymore. Y'all just all fucking asshole mark over here. What's wrong with y'all, man?
I don't even want to try for it.
How's that respect, man?
I'm following him. I'm not in charge.
I'm gonna go link up with Cars in Magic City over here, see what he's doing. It is hot. My boy, what up?
What's up, man?
Oh, how you been? Good. Oh. This is Cars in Magic City right here, guys. Y'all probably seen one of his videos on Instagram. Yeah, wait, this Maserati right here.
We got him going out the wrong way. Sorry, sir. He went out the wrong way himself. Yeah, he did.
about to go walk over here to this this car's old, I can't even think of the fucking name of the car right now, but it's the one we saw on the interstate. It's wrapped in the Cars logo or like theme. But this thing is crazy. Like, this thing looks good too. This thing is literally so nice. Dang, I was just thinking it's gonna be like a stick shift, but it's not. This Lambo is so crazy. I always see it on Birmingham, but never gotten to actually get up and close.
I know Mr. Gerald likes
So let's count. So we got 1 S1K, 2 that's mine, 3, 4, the other one, and then 5 right there.
You should do one thing for me. Stop red. Get on the lap. Okay. You kind of don't want you to hit nobody. Won't you? No, no. Just slow down. Huh? Thank you, man.
They getting turned out here. They leaving. Everybody getting turned. This beautiful Ducati just pulled up. I don't even. Oh, it's a V4. It's a V4. Bro, you cannot beat this Ducati red right here. Look at this. Dude, the sun is beaming off of this. You got the Rizoma mirrors on there.
This one yours?
No. Mine's that S1K right there. The one behind it. Boy, the way this carbon bounces off the light is crazy. Old man driving now.
Keep pouring that shit straight with your pants. Cut left. Right hand.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I try to get as much footage as possible. Me actually vlogging myself is a little new. I've done it before, but have not done it in like this type of setting, so hopefully it turns out great. I'm still working on a few issues with like my autofocus and stuff like that on my camera. I bought a new lens and the autofocus does not work, so I had to manually autofocus. But if you enjoyed the video, hit like, comment, subscribe, share. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.